we got a notice that we had to leave. We were like, oh my God, like this is right before Christmas. Like, what did we do wrong? The Destin location really makes sense. And we were so excited how fast our barbers got booked. I re-signed once we took over the next spot. So we
Said yes.
extended it to 2029. We went in, we did all the electrical, the plumbing. I mean, we think we bring a lot of value to the
Sure.
place. We love to be in Destin. We've come a long way and we appreciate your support. I mean, we're more than grateful. We've been working there for 3 years. And if we can't stay, we would like to open up something in the near area so you guys don't have to drive to Fort Walton. We would love for you to help out, reach out, maybe if you could buy a membership, or if you guys want to send good vibes and let people in the community know how valuable our barbershop is. If you guys can make it known, if you want to help save the barbershop, that would be a good way. Leaving reviews and sharing this information out. We do want to stay at the gym. We actually love the gym, the people in there and the community in Destin. So hopefully we can save it.